Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to reverse delete for me videos, chats or audios on WhatsApp. Now let's say you were chatting with someone, you were about to delete an audio, let's say this particular audio, voice notes actually, and I want to delete it for everyone. I've quickly tapped on delete for me, so it's gone. What do? Quickly tap on undo. You have 5 seconds to tap on undo, and then you can now delete it properly by deleting for everyone. It is as simple as that. Now let's say this is a picture, you were going to do it. So you want to delete for everyone, simply tap on delete for me, so the picture is gone. Quickly tap on undo, picture comes back, and then you can highlight it and tap on delete for everyone. You can also decide to delete media receiving this chat from the device gallery too, and that's it. Now let's say it is not an audio, it's not a picture. What if it's a chat you want to delete? Let's say I want to delete this chat. Let's say I want to delete this chat which I sent to someone, this particular one, and I want to delete for everyone, and instead I'm simply press delete for me. Quickly tap on undo within 5 seconds and it comes back, and then you can delete it properly, and that is it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to comment in the comment section. Let us know if you were able to follow the steps and achieve your aim.